Over the next few moments, I'm going to talk with you about getting a mortgage for your dream home. The fact is, when it comes to getting a mortgage, many people don't know where to turn. Some people wind up paying much more out of their pocket for the life of their loan because they simply didn't know where to get the best mortgage that suits their needs. Our mortgage lenders are trained to look at each of our individual clients' specific situation and find the best mortgage and, of course, the best interest rate possible. We can take a look at your situation and show you exactly what lending programs you qualify for. But most importantly, we're there when you need us, before you close and after you close. Once you are our customer, you are our customer for life. So contact us now for a free, no obligation mortgage consultation. You'll be glad you did.